King Charles III may strike you as an unlikely fashion icon, but the monarch is renowned for his understated, quintessentially English style. Always impeccably turned out, King Charles has a penchant for a well-cut, double-breasted suit, accessorized with a colourful silk tie and pocket square. He is a staunch supporter of traditional British brands, with a focus on quality, durability and sustainability, whether it is shirts from Turnbull and Asser, handmade shoes by John Lobb, or the Panama hats and tweed caps from 𝐊𝐷 hatters. The king undoubtedly has a taste for the finer things in life, but he also flies the flag for responsible consumerism. Not only does he make a point of sending his clothes off to be repaired rather than throwing them away, he also drives an Aston Martin with an engine that has been converted to run on green fuel made out of white wine and whey.